I'm recording this, okay? You share your screen, okay? Once. Can you share your screen? I'm giving you this one, huh? We'll see, okay, what is there. Let me give you the space, so that anybody has problem, they can check it. I have given you the sharing access, Rabia. Maybe. You can share. You
Okay,
can
sir.
use the same. I have given you that. How is the campus form, everything? Right. We have filled the form. Like this only it is opening. Hmm. You can speak also a little bit. What are the things they are asking? Your
Firstly,
voice
they
is
are
audible.
asking.
Uh-huh.
Firstly, they are asking gender, next
Uh-huh.
marital status, next date
Uh-huh.
of birth,
Okay.
next corresponding address,
Address. They're asking. Good.
permanent
First they
address.
start with this. You have to start and all. This icon comes, then down. Hmm. This is easy. You write your address, then come down. Everyone take the screenshot once, keep in the group also, no? So that anybody, na, then later on it will be very difficult. I might upload this one, otherwise then taking this, because campus related thing I will upload. If anybody has campus related formed out. Yeah. Hmm.
Next, education details,
Hmm. Then
10th, inter, and graduation.
marks, you write properly, marks they check, okay. Right.
Marks and
Very
rank
good.
or medal.
Good,
That's
good, good, good. Hmm. Hmm.
next, foundation or
Hmm.
CPT.
Right. Down. Any problem, any area, anybody, it's easy details only they're asking. Down. And try to fill by tomorrow only. Don't keep it at late. Down. First attempt, okay. Here you play. Okay. Here your attempts you play nicely, okay. I'll not discuss now. Okay. Okay. Next. You can do accordingly. What is the best thing that you like? Okay. No comments. You can do accordingly. Okay.
Next, MCS details.
Hmm. Expected membership number and all. They're asking up. They're asking something up. Go up. Go up. Little bit up. MCS completed. Yes. Okay. They're asking MCS number. Membership number. No. Okay. Expectation they're asking. Okay.
And
Okay.
they are
Not
asking for
compulsory.
undertaking.
So membership number is not necessary. Committee for members, but they're taking for undertaking
You
and
just
all.
need to
Okay.
fill this undertaking.
For membership number, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good. Anybody has doubt in this, na? They can ask. Okay. Membership number हो गया. Then
So just like that, we can put any date for expected also.
you put any date. Sravya.
Okay.
But last date was 31st, sir. 31st July.
You're not stretching, na?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir. No, sir.
It is
Anything you
not.
can put.
So 25 is last date. Expected 25 is good. Then you have all applied for membership. Please apply for membership. Everybody apply for membership. Then down.
Articleship details, sir.
Articleship.
Sir,
This is
number of
important.
partners.
Mention everything in articleship. Yes, anybody has any doubt? No. ठीक है, company name
Sir,
also
do
they are
number of
asking.
partners have any effect
Please
on
write
pricing
correctly.
application?
Please write correctly. This details should be write correctly, no fake. Okay. They might check. Okay, next. These details should be right, huh? Company name, partnership firm. Even client name should write right only. Don't write fake, okay? This you can little bit do. That's but here should be right. Next. And you should mention the client name. Says mention now. It look nice. If you have done it. Then down. Save in next. Easy form. No problem.
Next, work experience.
And feel today only or tomorrow, because in the last 2 days technical glitch comes every time I've seen, and this tend a lot of technical glitch will come, and institute never extend the date, I'm telling you. So this is, I know institute very well. Institute never extend the date. It's not like our GST. They never extend the date. So feel 2 days before. That's it. Means 22 should be your deadline. 22nd. Today is what? 21. Okay. Today, tomorrow, 22nd should be 22nd what? July should be deadline. Keep it like that. Otherwise, last date, it not be done. I'm telling you this. Next. Yeah,
Next,
obtain
achievements.
scholarship. Good. Scholarship and all down. One prize is in debate. No. ठीक है. Yes. ठीक है. No. You can write some hobbies here.
Yes, sir, I
Traveling,
wrote,
right?
but didn't save.
Traveling. ठीक है. Traveling you can write. This is not compulsory. ठीक है. Down, save and continue. Posting anywhere in India, yes, very important. This is important column. Anywhere, yes. Passport, yes. If you have, you should write. Transferable post, yes. Have you participated in win? No. Are you ready to place? Here written no. If you are ready to place outside India, please yes, write yes. Okay. Expected salary. I would suggest to expectation little less. Do it 8 lakh little bit so that more shortlisting comes. Do it
Okay,
little
sir.
less. 8 lakh so
Sir,
that more
9
shortlisting
lakh
comes.
is the minimum
So
CTC
9
now.
lakh, 9 lakh कर दो.
9
lakh.
lakhs, sir.
9 lakh is good, huh? 9 lakh will be good. Minimum it is written 5,50,000.
No.
Yeah.
In that
That is
notification
for
issued, they have mentioned 9 lakhs.
that is for like this motivation. Motivation they are giving. ठीक है. ठीक है. Asian countries. ठीक. Here it is written 5,50,000. ठीक है. 9 lakh only you keep. Naukri.com you put less 7 lakh. So more chances of getting more calls will come. ठीक है. Preference for the kind of industry. Yes, you preferred everything good. Would you like to work in all the areas of the work? Yes, I think the most important column out here is CTC column in campus. Okay. So please mention 9 lakh or 10 lakh. Don't mention 15 lakhs. Many people will make this mistake. So that's not text. It's not right. Thumbs up this, huh? Which I've written in the group now. 2 thumbs up. Everybody, huh? That is the mistake that anybody can do. Okay. Putting too much of that one. Otherwise, they will not take. Would you like everybody like it, huh? So that don't mistake it. Would you like to work in all the areas? Yes. Something yes, very good. Yes. Save and continue. Everything you say yes. No बोलना ही नहीं है. Say no, then please fill the preferred continent. Continent, which one? You can play with this also if you are a scheduled caste, and you should not play that, huh? But you see, okay, your scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, OBC, you will get PSU shortlisting. So don't forget, if you are there, if you are OBC, it is good. You are getting the benefit out of it. Okay. What is that select preferred continent? Up. जनरल से ज्यादा उनको फायदा होता है. What is select preferred continent? South American countries means
Yes,
Oh,
sir.
then right. Okay, South America. No. See, what are the option?
Asian countries.
Asian, African,
North
Australian,
American,
European.
Gulf, right? Gulf, Dubai. Gulf will be good, na? Dubai. Lot of good opportunities will be there.
Sir, South of
Huh.
American, it's Portugal, Argentina.
South America is Portugal, Argentina, right, right. So Gulf countries is good. Gulf is Dubai. Dubai, you will get good package. They might shortlist. Hmm. Africa also you can write Tolaram. Tolaram will take if you want. Tolaram is good. Africa. Kidnapping is only the problem. Otherwise not a problem. ठीक है? ठीक है? ठीक है. Hmm. Hmm. Then I decide to pair. Okay, this is the. You have not filled this, na? Fill
This
this
is the
also.
final step, sir. So
I'm telling you, fill now only. Complete it now. You can take your time to upload that. I decided to appear in the campus when organized as the selected center as this. Which one you feel want? Hyderabad. Fill that. Bangalore will be better shortlisting, but you can do as you like. And second campus. Second campus. Even I am not sure about which. See the options once in second campus. In South India is not there, na? Visakhapatnam is only there.
yes, sir.
Do not wish also is there. Do not get system. ठीक है. थाने लोकेशन हैज अ गुड चांस विच आई हैव सीन. ओके, थाने स्मॉल कैंपस में भुवनेश्वर, थाने, लिटिल बिट आई हैव सीन स्टूडेंट गेटिंग देयर लिटिल बिट ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटी. इंडोर
So
little
how
bit
is
chances are
Noida
there.
is the second campus?
Noida and all, I'm not sure anything will happen. Thane, this Bhubaneswar, Indore, you might expect something out of that. Okay, but it's up to you. And see, campus you're trying with Hyderabad because you might need in Hyderabad, then you can take your chances. We go off campus also, you're applying here and there, you're getting opportunity. So not a problem. ठीक है, Visakhapatnam is also good. Like this campus, nothing will happen. I'm not sure about campus, what will happen. Center में 1 to 10. हाँ, ठीक है. Please attend this orientation program. Very important. Okay, don't miss the orientation program when it happens. Then upload your CV, upload your photo. This you do, and down. Make sure you have a nice photo, clean saved. Many people were saying me to upload. When you upload a photo, the photo should be clean saved. ठीक है? Photo should be professional in campus. Clean saved. ठीक है? If you have Blazor, then it is good. Okay, Blazor is good if you have. ठीक है, otherwise छोड़ दो, कोई बात नहीं है. ठीक है, पर clean saved at least. Then good. And mock whatever they're asking that you can do. Yes, nothing else. Down, nothing is there. Save and continue. Try to do it by today only, Shravya, because you filled everything. Don't delay it. Don't
Okay,
delay
sir.
it. Okay. What is the fees they're taking? 500.
Sir,
500, sir, 500.
100, sir.
500.
1500.
Uh,
1500.
1500.
They have updated it for physical campus.
Too much.
Yes, sir.
1500 so they will take na physical it is na. They will provide food also. 1500 so they will take because we have to arrange a lot of things for themselves. Online it is easy for them to take.
Want physical campus won't be hectic, sir. Won't it
It
be
will be very
hectic?
it will be very hectic. Physical campus, keep
Sir,
your food with
CV,
you. Huh?
sir, CV we should upload industry, sir.
CV, CV you should upload industry. Very good. Try to make a all-rounder CV or keep a all-rounder CV in campus.
Okay, sir.
Keep an all-rounder CV in campus. Okay? Means all the things should be mentioned there in the CV. So I think so. Somebody had this doubt, na? The CV should be our all-rounder CV. Rest more on CV I will discuss. Okay, but this is all about campus. Good. Okay. I think so many people had their doubts, na? These doubts were covered. Okay, campus related, don't have any doubt, na? Campus related. तो CV related, I think so many have doubt now. So join the next link for CV related. Okay, join the same link.